Look at that shit there, mate. Slow down, driver.
I can't stop here and there's a problem.
Yeah, pull over a bit.
I can't, it's this road.
Look at that. Look at that there in the sky, mate, yeah? Look at that. Look at that and tell me that's not fucking normal.
Alright, boss? Yeah, alright, yeah.
Look at that and tell me that's not normal, boss.
No,
That's something you ain't gonna see in your life, mate.
yeah.
You won't see that again.
You are, yeah?
Look at it, just hovering. And look at that as well, look. There's a plane coming underneath. You see that?
Yeah, them two in here. One is bottom, one on the top.
Yeah.